It's not pie smash yet.
Okay, give me that. What do you got?
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here. Guess who's getting champagne in the face?
No. I said, hey, Gretchen, is it going to explode? She goes, no, only if you shake it. So I shook it.
So she shook it.
I shook the shit out.
When I open this champagne bottle, it's going right at you.
Okay, maybe you can open it up because everybody might be watching.
I hate opening champagne bottles to begin with, and now you had to go and shake it up.
Wait, Gretchen, let me see. I wanted to explode. Yeah. Don't aim it at me, you jerk!
I hate opening.
Go ahead, stupid!
To blow my finger off.
Good. Just open it up.
I can't. I'm scared. I'm scared. I just put hand cream on.
Gretchen, open the bottle. Look at this mess. It's a bottle of champagne. Happy New Year! Yeah, any day now.
I can't get it off.
Gretchen, open the bottle.
Where's my towel?
Where's your towel? Oh, look, where's my towel? That's so cheesy.
I can't open it.
Well, pull it up. You work out at the gym. God sakes, there you go. Ah, she got it open. All right, there she goes.
Man, this one went even farther than that. I can't believe you shook this up.
Okay, so, do a swig. I dare you.
I'm smelling it.
I dare you.
I'm not going to drink out of the bottle. It's against the Board of Health.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here. We couldn't leave you hanging for the new year without bringing you pink champagne cupcakes.
Exactly, which are these right here.
Aren't they beautiful?
Look at these, everybody. Pink champagne cupcakes. The Crumb Boss just opened a bottle of champagne.
Yeah.
And now she's going to make pink champagne cupcakes, which are these right below here. Crumb Boss, show you how to do it.
I'm going to show you how to do it. I just attempted this recipe the first time today.
Ooh.
They came out really nice.
Okay.
Couple of adjustments, but I'll tell you them when I get to it.
What do you got?
All right, I have to measure out 2 cups of champagne, which I did right there.
All right, somebody's going to write it and go, what kind of champagne is it?
You can use anything you want.
They don't have champagne in my country.
The recommendation for using alcohol in cooking is that you should never cook with anything that you wouldn't drink. So if you don't think it's a good enough brand to drink, then don't use it in your food.
Exactly.
So you want to use 2 cups for this.
So that's Cristal, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. I've had Cristal before. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I did. Long story.
All right. We got our KitchenAid mixer. This is an alternating creaming method, everybody. We've got our butter and our sugar in our mixer bowl, which I started creaming already.
You seem a little bit drowsy, Crumb Boss. Were you sucking on the bottle?
No, I wasn't. I think I'm fighting a cold. I just got through hellish Christmas week here.
It's all over, baby. We're heading into the new year. Ain't no stopping this bus.
Right back to work, and I'm fighting off something because I haven't been feeling 100%.
All right.
Yeah. So, but we didn't want to leave you guys hanging with no videos, so I wanted to do one day early. It is Friday night, it's not Saturday, because you guys got to get mixing, baking your champagne cupcakes tomorrow for your party.
Yeah, exactly. So you got a bottle of champagne.
Yeah.
And what are you doing now? Sifting flour?
I'm sifting cake flour, baking soda, baking powder together.
Okay.
And a little bit of salt. Because why? We use unsalted butter when we bake, which is in the mixer bowl right now. Aren't they pretty?
They are. They're beautiful.
All right, so we've got all of that stuff sifted.
I never heard of pink champagne cupcakes before.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. That's a big search right now on the internet.
Pink champagne
cupcakes. We better
cupcake.
get Crumb Boss in on that search.
Yeah.
Search no more. Crumb Boss to the rescue.
Exactly.
All right, so you've got your butter and your sugar creaming. Am I yelling because my ears are a little clogged?
I don't know because I had the flu all week, so I'm deaf too.
We can't hear each other. What?
I've been sick with I had the flu for a few days.
It's been bad. Hey, check it out, vanilla.
What?
We got vanilla. It's going in my recipe.
Okay.
This is 6 egg whites.
Okay.
Save your egg yolks because there's 2 parts to this recipe. We're not doing 2 videos, but if you guys remember, I did Zavallon back in the summer. We're going to make a Zavallon buttercream icing for these cupcakes with more champagne. So save your egg yolks.
Yeah, but we only have 5 minutes.
Yeah, well, I'm not doing 2 recipes. I'm going to show them just how to mix this.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so we've got our butter and our sugar creaming together. You're going to add in your egg whites one at a time.
Yeah. So, Crumb Boss, how do you think 2012 is going to be for us?
Oh, I think it's going to be good.
Yeah, you think it's going to be real good?
I feel it. Something. I got a feeling.
Yeah. I got a feeling that tomorrow the bakery's going to look like a giant pie exploded.
That's right. And why is that?
Because it's 1 million hits.
1 million hit Epic Pie Smash, everybody.
Yep, if you guys watch us, you know that we crossed over 1 million hits on Christmas Day. And we got a big pie smash coming.
We got a big one.
Oh my God.
It's going to be big.
Yeah, you're never going to see anything like this in your life.
Alright, so I've added in my egg whites and my vanilla. Now this is an alternating creaming method where you're going to alternate the dry ingredients with your champagne. Starting with your dry and ending with your dry. So I do it in like 3 parts. So there's my dry addition. And this was really cool because once you start adding in the champagne, it starts to bubble up. It gets real frothy.
Let's see.
Alright?
So, yeah, and you know what?
It's almost like Sprite. See how it gets all bubbly?
Oh, yeah.
It's like it almost starts working the baking soda already in the baking
Don't,
powder.
you guys, don't eat pink champagne cupcakes and dry.
Yeah, you can smell it, right?
Yeah.
These came out really nice. I like this recipe. I think you're going to like it. Whoa. Good idea to turn off the mixer, right? So this is my second edition of the dry.
Okay. I can't believe you're making a recipe.
Why?
You haven't made a recipe in so long.
I know. And I haven't put makeup on in so long, so when I put makeup on for this video, I was like, oh my God, do I look like a clown? I never wear makeup.
No.
We haven't done videos in a couple weeks.
Well, we haven't because it was Christmas.
Yeah, exactly. So, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas.
Yep.
Start the new year off with a bang tomorrow. Check us out for Epic Pie
Oh
Smash
my-
1 million hit celebration.
Oh, you have no idea.
Yeah.
So you just keep on adding the champagne in.
Well, you're doing alternating, so I do a little bit of dry, then I do the champagne, then I do some dry, then champagne, and you always, you want to end up with your dry ingredients, though. So it's like 3-4 additions like that.
Oh, so you got to go back and forth.
Yeah. Now, I added a little drop of pink food coloring to mine, too.
Okay.
Actually, it's about 2. A little bit goes a long way. You don't want Barbie cupcakes, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Unless you like Barbie.
Yeah, unless you like Barbie, but
Yeah.
for New Year's Eve,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to just kind of do a little bit pale.
Yeah.
Alright, and then there's your last edition of the dry.
Okay.
And that's the batter for your cupcakes.
All right.
Alright?
And where's the icing now?
Alright, well, there's the thing. There's my batter for the cupcakes. This made,
You're going to have to make 2 videos.
no, I'm not going to, because basically you guys have to go back to Zabayon.
Okay.
And what you're going to do, though, this is, pay attention here. What you're going to do, when I made Zabayon for the first time, I used Chablis. You're not going to use Chablis, you're going to use your champagne. But you're going to proceed with the recipe the same way. And instead of adding the whipped cream to the Zabayon in the end, you're going to add the buttercream. Alright, and then you're basically what you're going to get is what I have right here.
Oh,
this
cool.
is a pink champagne Zabayon buttercream icing.
Oh my
that
God.
I made specifically for these cupcakes.
So now what you do is you take that batter and then you have this. So you have, so wait.
Well, this is the batter. Let's not get confused. This is the batter that
Yeah.
we just mixed.
Yeah.
And this is the batter for the cupcakes.
Okay.
For the cake itself. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Pour that into your cupcake tins almost to the top.
Okay.
These really don't rise that much.
Okay.
You're going to get about 24 cupcakes out of this recipe.
Okay.
Or 3 8-inch cake layers. Whatever you want to make a cake, you want to make cupcakes, whatever.
Okay. And
How much
then
time we got?
you got to move, Gretchen.
I gotta move, everybody.
You gotta
So look,
move.
You're gonna bake your cupcakes at 350 degrees. They take about 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Cool them.
Uh-huh.
Take your what do I got? 30 seconds.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, come on.
You're taking 2. I told you 2 videos, Gretchen.
It's not 2 videos. It can only be 1.
Yeah.
Here's my cupcakes.
Good. Ice them. Happy New Year. 1, 2, and then you put pearls on them. Where'd
And
you get
then,
the pearls?
yeah, I
See
got
the
these.
there's
Are they
little
pretty?
pearls.
That represents the bubbles in the champagne.
Oh, that's
These
cute.
are actually called sugar pearls.
Okay.
You can get them on the website that I tell you guys all. CakeDeco.com sells
Yeah.
all of this stuff.
Okay,
Alright?
cool. There we go. So here we have pink champagne cupcakes
Oh,
made by the Crumb Boss.
Yep.
Happy New Year 2011.
Happy New Year, everybody. Check us out tomorrow for Epic Pie Smash. Thanks for helping us get to 1 million hits this year.
Yeah. Pink champagne.
Pink champagne.